Meaning of magic.
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 Magic. The term magic can have different meanings depending on the context. In general, magic can refer to supernatural or mystical powers, abilities, or practices that are used to produce seemingly impossible effects, often associated with specific rituals, incantations, or spells. In a more metaphorical sense, magic can also describe something that is enchanting, fascinating, or captivating, or that seems to have a special quality or power that defies explanation. For example, we might describe a beautiful sunset as magical, or say that a particular book or movie had a magical quality that drew us in and captivated our imagination.